Hi, I'm Teresa Kirk, and I'm here to tell you about a new workshop that I'm offering. Those of you that know my work know I'm always looking for the unexpected, always looking for something different. So if you're in a rut and you're looking for something different in a workshop, something that will help you look at the paper or the canvas to come up with something different, something you wouldn't have thought of, then come with me as we still like an artist. I'm ready to take you down that path. This fun-filled class will have you stretching your perspective and will help you to create something different. It will send you in unexpected directions where you would not have gone, and it will be with the help of the masters. Our creativity feeds on playing, and a fun way to play is to play with the masters. We'll start our creative engines and get the creative juices flowing with prompts that will go from drawing to painting. We will play with color and the games that we can play there. We will play with texture and space and value and other elements that will help us no matter what the medium or drawing materials. This workshop is about playing and about looking to other artists for ideas. Picasso said, "Art is theft," and David Bowie said, "The only art I've ever studied is stuff that I would like to steal." So bring your inner child and let's steal like an artist. Let's make something that will be uniquely ours. I love to have fun and gear my workshops through that idea. But I also will give you lots of information that will be useful in your own work. I hope our paths will cross in this workshop or maybe in one of my Beauty of the Mark workshops. Till our brushes meet, have a great day.